Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use recommended performance settings Firefox browser Windows 10. So how to use recommended performance settings Firefox browser Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here it is in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Performance menu. Now next. Tap Use Recommended Performance Settings. This feature allows Firefox to automatically set the best performance according to computer specifications, so that browsing is faster and more efficient. So that's it, the tutorial how to use recommended performance settings Firefox browser Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.